Yeah, now we're recording. This is about a 4-year-old pond, or Pondless waterfall. And what that is water flows down into a well. This is a well here, a little rock, where the pump is protected. And right now that water, you can't see it. And when you turn the waterfall off, it'll all disappear. And there's quite a bit of water in this one, as you'll see. This is a long stream, about 80 feet long, with little drops. Maybe I'll just zoom in this way. And vegetation on the side to dress it up. They use this for weddings. But this is the same water over and over again on the property. Hot day here in Kihei, but it's cooling by the stream.